Okay, this is DC Scrap and Rooster cleaning house again, once again. Okay, these are doily pieces. There's about 7 or 8 in each little roll. Here are some of the newer laces that was a couple of weeks ago. I don't have much of them left, so I'm just getting rid of them in piles like this. I had about 6 or 7 applique packages left. Okay, and there's like 20, I think there's 24 plus these little packages of the tiny little appliques and the little doilies. Now you can go back in my videos and see, and you'll see how much it's worth. Okay, there's some of the laces. Then you have some of the appliques with the little beads at the end. You got some bling, some buttons, some little what do you call them, little plastic little cupcakes and butterflies, and some buttons, little plastic bows. These are the beaded ones, little tiny ones, teeny weeny. They're so cute. Some resin pieces. This is one of those head pins, I believe. Okay, like I said, I'm cleaning house, so keep a lookout because I don't know what I'm putting next. I'm just cleaning house. Things are changing here, and I need a couple of surgeries, so this is going to help me pay a few of my medical bills, because you know I have that 80/20 crap insurance. I think most of us has, but I have a real shitty one. But at least I have insurance, right? I shouldn't be complaining. But anyway, so this package here is $60. Okay. And if you want to see them more individualized, which I probably won't do, because if you've seen my videos before, you know how much I put into my appliques. Okay, so I believe there's like 24. It could be more, I'm not really sure. But you have all this, and there's a total of $60. Free shipping, obviously. First come, first serve. I only have a few that I'm putting together, and then I'll be putting some more stuff together. And that's it for now. Thank you all for watching.